ये सिर्फ निशान नहीं, शान है।
लोकतंत्र में
हमारा भी योगदान है।
मेरा वोट मेरी ड्यूटी,
मेरा वोट मेरी ड्यूटी।
The Election Commission of India has the mandate to conduct elections to the various assemblies as well as the parliament of the nation. The task is much more than just the logistical preparation for the voting process. In fact, the ECI spends a considerable amount of time and attention to educate the voters for their rights. Various campaigns are launched regularly to evoke the spirit of democracy and the power of one vote. On the National Voters' Day on 25th January, ECI launched a national-level multimedia campaign to educate and raise awareness among voters for the upcoming 18th general elections to the lower house of the Indian Parliament. Titled Chunav Ka Parv, Desh Ka Garv, or Elections, the biggest festival and pride of the nation. The campaign underscores the significance of elections as not only the largest celebration of democracy, but also as a source of pride for individuals and the entire nation. To fuel the spirit of voting even more, an anthem was also released by the Election Commission of India's Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation or SWEEP program to enhance participation from all categories of voters under the organization's motto, No Voter to be Left Behind. Voter education and awareness is an essential part of the electoral process. The ECI aims to make voters aware of the power of a vote. Also, the Commission tries to inculcate a sense of belonging and ownership with the voters. It has striven to drive home the point that their participation in the election is crucial in order to guarantee a responsible, responsive, and democratically elected government. Voter awareness involves electoral as well as civic education. The key aspects covered are election process, political parties and their manifestos, antecedents of candidates. Many educational institutions and organizations hold different activities like sporting events, essay writing contests, poster making competitions, marathons, etc. to raise awareness among people about voting. Various awareness efforts make the electoral process a national festival of celebrating one's choice and every citizen's understanding of their right as voters. Bureau Report, DD India.